In the fall of 2013, Chuck Plymire, production manager with Simplicity Tool Corporation, contacted WorkSource with a need for a very specialized skill set, a tool and die maker machinist. This was the first time Simplicity Tool had requested help from WorkSource. Their primary recruitment resource had been a local staffing agency. The following comments from Chuck tell the story of how the process worked for them and whether they would consider using WorkSource Portland Metro for future recruitments.
We needed a highly skilled individual, higher than normal, that we hire, and basically on Google I found how skilled workers, and WorkSource came up as an option. I clicked on there, opened it up, and as soon as I discovered any problems, I picked up the phone, called them, and they were very helpful in getting me to set up a file, helping me to set up a file, and following it through. I don't recall the lady's name. I just called. They directed me in a very short time, no waiting on the phone, and I was impressed that I didn't have to stand on hold. It was, she helped me to set up the file, our folder, our account, sent to me the forms to complete online, to submit, describing the position, the requirements, and what our expectations would be. She even helped me to edit that to more clearly represent what we were looking for and to clearly identify those people out there. Typically, we had no method other than converting a temp employee from a temp agency to a full-time employee if he fit in, if he worked hard and was someone we wanted to add. This being high-skilled, they helped us to define what we were looking for specifically. They helped us to identify those skills, helped us to identify what people we were trying to engage, helped us to define clearly what we do here, so that it was nice that this individual was not specialized just to manufacturing that I spoke with, because she asked questions to help fill in the blanks that she didn't know about. There was no presumption of what we were looking for, and that by chance helped us to define ourselves a little bit clearer. Primarily it's in the production area, is finding someone who is stable enough to be here every day, finding someone who wants to stay and is interested in growing and developing, learning more, and becoming worth more to the company and to themselves every day that they spend here. I'm very impressed with that. The fact that you had the time to do that was surprising. I think it gave you a clear benefit in what you were looking for, narrowed your search. It's another perspective of what we're looking for. Definitely the skilled positions, possibly even some office positions if we do. Marcus is the one that does the primary. I just do the legwork and the paperwork, and the getting the decision is his. But giving him the best sources, because he's president of the company, his time is limited, and he needs the best of the best when he's looking at them and what our options are. So, yeah, I would do it again. I think he was quite pleased with the speed at which we accomplished what we did.